Hi guys, I'm the one who converted this double-decker bus into an RV. You might know me of that. I got a lot of compliments in the comments. Thank you for that. And some of you wondered, if my bus looked like this, what would my home look like? Well, over the last months I've been redecorating our living room, I think in a quite spectacular way. And in a few moments I will show you how it turned out, but let me first tell you how it all came to this. This all started with the wife, saying she wanted these fake beams in the ceiling to go. And when she says that, this is the result. And after flattening the floor, putting in a framework for the wall, putting in the wall drawers, and covering the wall with wooden strips, it looks like this.